Good morning, students. Today I am going to teach you Standard 6 Supplementary Reader in English for Class 6. The Chapter 1, A Tale of Two Birds. Before starting this lesson, I am going to tell you about the summary of this chapter. This is a very interesting story about the birds, Rishi and kings. These are the main character of this story. Once there lived a mother bird in a forest. Her two newborn babies lived with her. Their nest was in tall tree. One day there was thunder and lightning and rain. The stormy wind blew down the tall tree. Unluckily, the mother bird was killed by the strong wind blew away. The little birds, one of them came down near a cave, and then a group of robbers lived there. The other bird came down a little distance away. A rishi ashram was there near that place. Thus the two birds were separated. The first bird made his home on tree near the cave of the robber. The second bird made his nest on a tree near the rishi ashram. After some time, the baby birds became big one day. One day, the king came there. He was following a deer. He was very tired. He got off his horse. There was a tree near a cave. The king sit under it to take rest. Just then, the king heard a big brown bird's voice. It was inviting some robbers to come and snatch the king's jewels and horse. The king got afraid. He got on his horse and rode away. Soon, the king reached the Rishi ashram and sat down in the shade of tree there. He heard a big brown bird asking the king to take rest inside the ashram. The king was amazed. He said, "This one looks like another bird outside the cave." The bird told the king that his brother had made friends with robbers. He talked like robbers. The rishi returned soon after. He invited the king to share his food. The king told the rishi about the different behavior of two birds. The rishi told him that it was the result of their company. So here what you learn about the company. As you sow, so shall you reap. It's an English proverb. As your company, as you are. And this is very interesting story. We learn lots of things in the story. A tale of two birds. Let's see in detail. There once lived a bird and her two newborn babies in the forest. They had a nest in a tall, shady tree, and there the mother bird took care of her little one day and night. One day there was a big storm. There was thunder, lightning, and rain, and the wind blew down many trees. The tall tree in which the birds lived also came down. A big, heavy branch of hit the nest and killed the birds. Fortunately for the baby birds, the strong wind blew them away to the other side of the forest. One of them came down near a cave where the gang of robbers lived. The other landed outside Rishi Ashram, little distance away. Day passed, and the baby birds became big birds. One day, the king of the country came to the forest to hunt. He saw a deer and rode after it. It turned deep into the forest, followed by the king. Soon the king lost his way and didn't know where he was. He rode on for a long time till he came to the other side of the forest. Very tired by now, he got off his horse and sat down under a tree that stood near the cave. Suddenly, he heard a voice cry out, "Quick, hurry up! That's someone under the tree. Come and take his gel and his horse. Here the bad one is bird. Hurry, or else I'll slip away." The king was amazed. He looked up and saw a big brown bird on the tree under which he was sitting. He also heard faint noise issuing from the cave. He quickly got onto his horse, rode away as fast as he could. Soon he came to a clearing which looked like an ashram. It was the Rishi ashram. The king tied his horse to a tree and sat down in its shade. Suddenly he heard a gentle voice and announced, "Welcome to the ashram, sir. Please go inside and rest." Here you can see that the other birds and these birds. What are the difference between two birds? The Rishi will back soon. That's some cold water in a pot. Please make yourself comfortable. The king looked up and saw a big brown bird in the tree. He was amazed. This one looked like the other birds outside the cave. He said to himself loudly, "You are right, sir," answered the bird. "He is my brother, but he was made friends with robbers. He now talks as they do. He doesn't talk to me anymore." Just then the Rishi entered the ashram. "Welcome, sir," he said to the king. "Please come inside and make yourself at home. You look tired. Rest for a while. Then you shed and rest. The Rishi will be back soon. There's some cold water in the pot. Please make yourself comfortable." The king looked up, saw a big brown bird in the tree. He was amazed. "This one looks like another bird." "You are right, sir," answered the bird. "He is my brother, but he has made friends with robber." Animal just then entered the ashram. "Welcome, sir," he said to the king. "Please come inside and make yourself at home. You look tired. Rest for a while. Then you can share to my food." The king told the Rishi a story of two birds and how each had behaved so differently. Though they look alike, the forest is full of surprise, he said. The holy man smiled and said, "After all, one is known by the company one keeps." Here you can learn from these two birds. If you keep a wrong manner, you will get the result of wrong manner, and you will company with a good manner. You will get the result of always good manner. After all, one is the known by the company one keeps. That bird has always heard the talk of robbers. He imitates them and talk about robbing people. This one has repeated what he has always heard. He welcomes people to the ashram. Now come inside and rest. I will tell you more about this place and these birds. Now what will you learn from this story? Which bird like you became? A good one or bad one? Always like a good one.